Hello, friends. My best wishes for all of you, and I think you all are feeling comfortable because board has suspended the exam of class 10th and postponed the exam of class 12th. Whether this one is satisfactory for everyone, even class 10 it has been cancelled the exam. The student who was doing hard labor to get highest mark, is that student will be satisfied? I think no. But whatever is going on, don't think about only your future, because only exam has been cancelled, you will be promoted, that is sure. But in the competition for which you are going to prepare in coming future, about your aim, that exam is not cancelled, that competition is not cancelled. All the courses related with class 10th will be asked. So don't be careless and don't think that I have passed class 10th and now it's not need to prepare our class 10th syllabus. You have to prepare all the syllabus whatever you have studied in class 10th, and there should be a deep knowledge in that subject. When you will go to appear any exam of class 10th level, all the related subject will be asked surely, and in future if you will prepare it best and deeply, I assure you that you will achieve a good marks in all the competition, and even the target about which you are thinking, your parents are thinking, that will be surely fulfilled. The students who is going to appear in class 12, the date has postponed. This is a good time for you to be prepared, make a good preparation for that exam. You can bring maximum marks, because it is time to prepare you. The date is not confirmed, but exam is confirmed. It is sure that exam will be conducted, but date is not confirmed. So take the benefit of this time and try to bring your marks 100%. Think one thing, that your target should be always high. If you are thinking about 100% marks, then it is certain that you can bring minimum 95% marks. But you are thinking that I can bring 90% marks, it means you are not preparing for 100%. And if you are thinking 19%, 90%, then it will bring 80%. So always think highest. If your think will be highest level, you can achieve highest level, because someone is said that to gain highest thing you have to think highest thing. The person who thinks about highest level, only that person get the highest position. So my dear students, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, please be ready for 10 plus 2 exams. And once more I want to say, the students whose exam has been cancelled, please prepare yourself for the exam. Not class 10th exam, but your life exam, your target exam, whatever you are planning. So if you will prepare yourself in best way, Nobody can prevent you to achieve your goal. It is best time to prepare yourself because it is sufficient time. There is no any kind of tension to you to attend the school, to complete your homework, to attend the class, like so many tensions. You are free from these kind of tensions. You have only one thing to do, to think your new year classes and about 10th syllabus, whatever. If that one is pending, then prepare yourself. Be a master of your class 10th syllabus, and you will feel after preparing 100% command on that syllabus that you are fully satisfied. You can do everything. Now, overall, I wish your best future, and I suggest you to not stop till your goal is achieved. You have to work till your goal is not achieved, meaning your target should be in your eyes. While you are going anywhere, while you are doing anything, your target should be in your eyes. And if target will be in your eyes, nobody can make any kind of misguide to you, and you can't move any wrong side, wrong track. Be a responsible person and think your responsibility. And when you will be responsible, there will not need any kind of alarm watch, because you can't awake with the help of alarm. When you will be responsible, you will think your responsibility, you will awake on time. So, think it positively. At last, I want to say that you have seen that there are many students who counts the problem. We have such problems that I am unable to do that thing. But you have seen that there are two kinds of person. One is optimistic and second is pessimistic. Optimists find the opportunities in difficulties, while pessimists find the difficulties in opportunities. Both are different person. Both are different person. Pessimist always count the problem, when optimist never count the problem but try to counter the problem, how problem can be solved. He always try to think about that thing. So please be optimist, not pessimist, and don't count the problem. Try to counter the problem, try to solve the problem, because you are a man and all the circumstances comes in your life only to awake your talent, awake your power which is inside you, which God has given you free. There is no cost of power which God has given you. So generate your power inside you, and you will see that you are capable to do all kind of work. So this was an motivation for you, inspiration for you, and I think you will follow this one. And after doing this one, if you are thinking that this is beneficial for me, please like it and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.